Undetectable AI review. Can it humanize AI content? So, Undetectable AI is a specialized tool designed to transform AI generated text into human like writing that can bypass AI detectors like GPT-0, Originality AI, and more. So, let's explore how effective it is. So, the pros of detectable and detectable AI is it has a strong detector bypass capability. It also has a fast and easy to use platform, so you can just basically paste your text right here, press humanized, and get results in seconds. No complex setups. It also offers multilingual and customizations, like for offering tone and readability adjustments. And it has a high positive user feedback compared to other platforms. The cons of it, though, is there are some grammatical and formatting issues. It also has inconsistent performance across detectors. There may have been some mixed user reviews on reliability, and there are ethical and academic concerns. So overall, Undetectable AI is a powerful tool for humanizing AI-generated text and successfully reducing detection by many tools.